You've created some awesome content. Now it's time to show it off. Showcasing your videos on LinkedIn is a great way to do it. And while that might sound like a complicated process, it's actually quite simple. Here are 3 ways to showcase your videos on LinkedIn. If you have your content on YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia, or another video hosting site, you can easily add that link to the featured section on your profile. Log into LinkedIn and go to your profile. Scroll down to the featured section. See this plus button? Click it and choose Add Link. Hit the Add button and you're all set. It will automatically include any text from your YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia link and import the thumbnail. So what if those third-party channels are off limits? Here's how to work around that. You can upload your compliance-approved video link and text. Don't know how? Click this button and we'll walk you through it step by step. Once your post is ready, you can add it by clicking the Add Post option and select Feature. Now, this looks okay, but we can do better. Instead, go to your post and click the 3 dots and select Copy Link to Post. By copying the post link and using the Add Link button, it brings in the video at the right ratio with the copy and hashtags included to give your client the best experience. On your company page, it's really your time to shine. By pinning your latest or topically relevant video to the top of your page, it will be the first thing people see. Change it up every month to showcase your latest video. When you pin your video, it automatically replaces the last video. To stop this strategy, simply unpin and your latest post will show up at the top. There you have it. You're now essentially a pro at showcasing your videos on LinkedIn. No more excuses. Get out there, start posting, and watch your views grow.